Hi, Dan Portik with BVS Film Productions. So driving into work today, it is the first snow out there. It has been insane. There has been traffic like crazy. The freeway was shut down. So I was thinking to myself, wouldn't it be nice if there was a salesman that was on the road all the time giving the perfect presentation in any weather? You're not having to worry about the current weather, just actually out there selling, giving the perfect presentation. But you know what there is? It's a video. You think about it, your company could have a video on the road all the time working for you. And it's as simple as developing it and putting it out there in front of your customers. So if you think about it, you can have a video for almost anything, telling about your product, instructional video, about your company, whatever it might be. And you don't have to deal with that. So feel free to reach out if you have any questions or would like to learn more. Have a great day. Thanks.